Well, guys, we got to digging further into Justin's 2100. Yes, that's the bearings moving that much. If I'm able to hold the handlebar with one hand, there you go. And rock it, it's even worse. Sadly enough, the bottom end of this one's toast. That's kind of why she was falling on her face when you dog her into a piece of wood. But you'd never know it by just, it starts on second pull, idle's good, returns to idle after a cut. My old 064 was the same way when I got it, ran good. You wouldn't have thought anything was wrong with the bottom end, but sometimes guys, they just want to run. Y'all have a good one.